Yeah. I'm a scientist. I spent the past 12 years researching chronic wounds. And in this time, I've come to deeply understand why they do not heal and how to heal it. I published multiple papers and books about it. And that's why we create Untech, a company that will cure chronic wounds globally. Chronic wounds like diabetic foot ulcers, Peyronie's ulcers, and bed sores are injuries that do not heal. And the main cause for this is infection with biofilm-forming bacteria. Biofilm is like a jelly that protects bacteria within from antiseptics, antibiotics, and immune system, producing chronic infection, chronic inflammation, and avoiding healing. These patients have a very poor quality of life, determined by 3 to 7 years of healing time, amputation, and chronic pain, among others. Can you imagine to live with pain all day and night, every day, for years? And in 10 years, there will be 120 million people in this condition all over the world. Also, it represents a big problem for health system. It costs the US system an excess of $25 billion per year. And however, there is no definitive solution yet. 80% of the products in the market are only palliative bandages that only help to protect the wound. There is more sophisticated and expensive treatments, but they don't ensure healing because they are not anti-biofilm. After 15 years of research, we developed a biotechnological solution that accelerates the healing process from years to months, drastically reducing the possibility of amputations and diminishing treatment cost. I'm sorry, it might be shocking for some people to see it, but I need to show that with previous prototypes in our exploratory clinical trials with 50 patients, we reach full healing in 100% of the cases. Currently, we've developed our fourth prototype that not only maximizes the therapeutical effectivity, but also diminish the regulatory difficulty and increase the patent strength. It is a composition of molecules and enzymes that has all therapeutical requirements in one product. Our team is formed by specialists in all the fields this kind of projects need. And we have combined 35 years of experience. We are already incorporate our company, and we are about to close our first round. We have 2 patentability studies, and our next step is to do a patent application in the United States, and our business models involves to do preclinical and clinical phases 1 and 2 in FDA, and then license our patent to a pharmaceutical company that will bring the product to the market. We received scientific and business validation, and I could just publish all this research. In Untech, we believe in transfer the knowledge to the society. We really know this patient suffering, and we want to heal it. Thank you.